it's Miss Nicole from the South Fayette and Birchville Libraries, and I'm here today to give you another kindergarten readiness tip. Today we're going to talk about colors. Colors are all around us. They're everywhere we look. And it's great if you know how to say the name of your colors and identify them. But do you know how to make colors? Well, there are three primary colors. There is red, which could be for an apple or a fire truck. There's yellow for the sunshine and some of our beautiful daffodil flowers. And there's blue. Blue for blue jays and blue eyes. These are our three primary colors. But how do we get other colors? Well, we mix together our three primary colors to get other colors. Let me show you what I mean. So if you take your red and your yellow and put them together, you will get orange. Here's our red and yellow to get orange. Basketballs are orange and pumpkins are orange. So let me get my orange out. If you take red and your blue and you put them together, you will get purple. Here is red and blue mixed together, gives us purple. Grapes and violets are purple. Get out my purple. And finally, if you have blue and your yellow and you put them together, you're going to get green. Green leaves, green bushes. So if you mix your three primary colors together, you're going to end up with our secondary colors. You could do that with lots of paint at your house. Watercolor paint, this tempera paint, or you could use Play-Doh to mash them together. And what's really neat is if you use all three together, you're gonna get brown. And even if you used white, you could get pink with red, or a light blue with blue. So you can make all kinds of colors. Another way to practice your colors is to go on a color hunt. So you could get some bags and write the color words on it with your crayons like I did red. And I went around the house and I'm gonna look for three things that color. So I might find an apple, I might have a car, I might have a dress of one of my dolls, and put those in the red bag. Maybe you're gonna get out the green bag. Maybe you're gonna find one of your trucks is green. I have a pencil sharpener, it's green, I'm gonna put that in my bag. Maybe I'm gonna get the Hulk character and put it in there. So you can have a color hunt. Another thing you could do is you could read different books about colors. There are a lot of them. One of my favorites is Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin. It's got all kinds of colors in it. Another one is The Mixed Up Chameleon by Eric Carle. Again, another great color book. Leah Leone has Little Blue and Little Yellow, and that's where you're gonna see getting a little green. Mouse Paint by Ellen Stoll Walsh is one of my favorites. I don't have it here, but it's at the library. They do a lot of mixing. And White Rabbit's Color Book by Alan Parker. That's a great one where you are gonna see all three of these primary colors mixed together and get brown. So have fun with colors, and then you'll be ready for kindergarten. Bye-bye.